Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi R8 versus the Z06. Let's dive into their core performance. The Audi R8 boasts a naturally aspirated V10 engine, delivering exhilarating power and a distinctive sound. In contrast, the Chevrolet Corvette Z06 comes equipped with a supercharged V8, offering immense torque and rapid acceleration. Both vehicles are engineered for high-speed thrills and track capability, providing a truly dynamic driving experience. Next, let's consider how these two supercars handle on the road and track. The Audi R8, with its all-wheel drive system, offers a more composed and predictable driving experience, making it excellent for various conditions. The Z06, however, is a rear-wheel drive beast, known for its aggressive, track-focused dynamics and thrilling, visceral feedback. Your preference for refinement versus raw power will guide your choice here. Moving inside, the Audi R8 presents a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, offering a comfortable and sophisticated environment. The Corvette Z06, while still well-appointed, emphasizes a driver-centric cockpit, prioritizing performance-oriented features. Consider your daily driving needs and desired level of comfort and practicality when evaluating their interiors and storage capabilities. Finally, let's talk about value and make a decision. The Audi R8 generally commands a higher price tag, reflecting its exotic appeal and German engineering. The Corvette Z06, on the other hand, offers incredible performance and track prowess at a more accessible price point, making it a compelling option for many enthusiasts. Both are phenomenal machines, but your budget and priorities will ultimately determine which is better for you. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.